Tensions across West Asia have escalated significantly, with ongoing military actions, economic strain, and fresh warnings indicating the conflict is widening beyond its initial scope. The crisis now involves Iran, Israel, the United States, and several Gulf nations. Authorities in Dubai confirmed that loud explosions heard on Saturday were due to successful air defense interceptions, highlighting how the conflict is spilling into the Gulf region. Meanwhile, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps warned that Ras Al Khaimah in the United Arab Emirates could be targeted if Iranian-controlled islands Abu Musa and Greater Tunb are attacked again. These islands are strategically located near the Strait of Hormuz. In Saudi Arabia, officials reported intercepting 20 drones within hours over its oil-rich eastern region, though no casualties or damage were recorded. The escalation follows Iran's retaliation after Israeli strikes on the South Pass gas field. The conflict has resulted in heavy casualties, with over 1,300 deaths reported in Iran, while Israel has recorded multiple fatalities, including in the West Bank. At least 13 US military personnel have also been killed. Global energy markets have reacted sharply, with crude prices surging to around $108 per barrel compared to roughly $70 before the conflict began. The crisis is beginning to affect Dubai's economy, particularly its real estate sector. Property transactions have dropped significantly, while prices in premium areas such as Burj Khalifa and Palm Jumeirah have seen notable discounts. Shares of Emaar properties have also declined sharply. Air travel across the region remains disrupted. Emirates and Etihad Airways are operating limited flights, while Flynas and Qatar Airways have reduced services, leaving thousands of passengers stranded. With rising risks, economic pressure, and expanding conflict zones, the situation continues to raise fears of further escalation in the region.